What is going on, guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. And today I'm going to be doing challenges. So basically in this video, if I fail these challenges, my brother is going to shoot me with an airsoft. And I hope you do enjoy this video. Don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe if you are new. And yeah, alright guys, so this is the first challenge right here. I'm going to be shooting threes with the basketball, and if I'm going to get 5 shots, and if I miss how many I miss, my brother is going to shoot me with an airsoft. And the airsoft gun is right here. As you can see, this airsoft is like freaking big, like it's gonna hurt, guys. So yeah. Oh, Aiden, why you freaking throw the basketball? Oh my. Oh shoot. Oh my god. Oh. I have it. Oh my god, dude. I'm breaking so many trees.
Bruh.
Oh. Alright guys, so I got the basketball. Hey, why don't you throw it? Oh my. Look how dirty I am now. I just took a shower, bro. Shot one, guys. Here you go. Oh my god, dude. You too. Alright guys, the first shot was trash. Oh, I'm so bad at basketball. Alright guys. Second shot. I'm gonna get ready this time. Oh my dude. I didn't know that was the second shot. Oh, Aiden, I can do it. I can do it. Yeah, I did.
All right, you ready? Here, let me shoot you.
It was from the back. What? Oh my god! Oh! Ah! Oh, jeez. Oh, dude, that hurts so bad.